Welcome back students. Second article we have sanction overreach. मैंने सुबह आप लोगों को सुबह की क्लास में आप लोगों को बता दिया था कि ये आर्टिकल ओवरव्यू कैसा है, किस बारे में है। यूएस ने टर्की के ऊपर सैंक्शन लगाया है क्योंकि उसने रसिया से मिसाइल खरीदा है, डिफेंस सिस्टम। इसलिए यूएस और रसिया मतलब एक आपस में रिलेशनशिप अच्छी नहीं है, इसलिए यूएस ने टर्की के ऊपर सैंक्शन लगा दिए, उसी के रिगार्डिंग है। रेडी स्टार्ट। 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स आपका एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन होगी। रेडी स्टार्ट। The US's decision to impose sanctions on Turkey over its purchase of the S-400 missile defense system from Russia further complicates the already troubled relationship between the two NATO members. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said earlier this week that the Trump administration was obliged to impose sanctions on Turkey under the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act passed in 2017 and aimed at discouraging third countries from buying weapons from Russia. Earlier, the US had suspended Turkey from its F-35 fighting jet program, which Washington feared would be undermined by the Russian system. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has called the sanctions an attack on Turkey's sovereignty. The US decision will have implications for India as well, which has also ordered the S-400. The Trump administration has been non-committal on giving India a sanctions waiver. In the case of Turkey, Washington had said it would not evoke sanctions if Ankara did not activate the system. But why would Turkey have purchased this anti-missile system for billions of dollars if it did not want to activate it? In October, Turkey test fired the system, and in 2 months, sanctions are in place. The USA's decision to suspend Turkey from the F-35 program was well within its right. It is up to Washington who it should sell the weapons to, but punishing other countries with sanctions for their decision to buy weapons from a third party is transborder bullying, if not meddling with their sovereignty. Full stop. Each country takes decisions on defense buys based on its requirements and security challenges. The S-400, which has been deployed by Russia in Syria along its borders with Eastern Europe and in the Arctic Circle, is seen as a highly advanced aerial shield. It is hardly surprising that Turkey, China, and India, which are rising ambitious powers with daunting security challenges, opted for the S-400. Punishing them is coercion sense strategic thinking. From a geopolitical point of view, the USA's actions could drive Turkey further into the hands of Russia despite their serious disagreements over crises such as Syria, Libya, and now Nagorno Karabakh. Full stop. That Mr. Erdogan still choose to buy Russian weapons shows that there is a paradigm shift in Ankara's strategic thinking. The US Turkey tensions, coupled with the war of words between French President Emmanuel Macron and Mr. Erdogan and the Greece Turkey spat over the eastern Mediterranean region, point to cracks in NATO. The US should ask itself whether it wants to widen these further or take a broader view of the changes that are underway in the global order. The 1990s unilateralism has already paved the way for a new multilateralism. Full stop. There are many rising powers, and their demands may no longer be dictated by the wishes of Washington. Full stop.